All right, just got done. Oh my gosh, of course, these are my favorite, the red dragon fruit. So pretty, so pretty. So we've got 8 on most of them except for this one. Turned out really tiny. These are ones that I'm going to be tasting as well in a second. And so I got these little cute boxes, so they should fit in there really well. I'm going to be sending them flat rate, put my little Christmas cards in there. So I'm going to do that and come right back. Here they are, and they're cute little boxes, but the first thing I noticed right away is that they were getting oily, so I'm gonna have to figure out, I wanted these to be like recyclable, etc., but I'm probably gonna have to wrap them with something. So the different flavors are, this one is a cinnamon nutmeg apricot, and this is a fermented cacao with cranberry. And then this is sort of like a red dragon fruit, almost like a mochi crust with a date filling. And these are triple chocolate. So it's got a chocolate yolk and then a chocolate filling, and then the outside is like a cashew coconut crust. So here they are, and then I'm actually gonna taste them because I haven't tasted all of them. So these are like little bits, and then I made an extra batch, and that's the little guy, so I'm trying to figure out what to do with that. So I think this one, oh, these were just little fun ones because this is like a filling and another filling, and I thought, oh, I wonder if that would be good. Very chewy, very chewy. I think that's the apricot filling with the date filling. It's fun, but it would definitely not make a good mooncake. Okay, I think this is the first one. That's quite good. And then this one was actually the chocolate yolk, and then I put the a filling on the outside of it as well. Oh, that chocolate yolk is really yolky and chocolatey. All right, y'all. So I think I'm going to cover the top. They came with little pieces of things to put on the bottom, as you can see. So I might put it on top as well. Probably wrap it up because you could see it's getting oily. But that's why I wanted to do this for Christmas, to see how these turned out. See how they do in the shipping. I thought they would fit actually really close together, but I ended up having more space. But yeah, this took me several hours, maybe like around 4 to 5 hours to make everything. So the total was 8 times, so 32 of these. And then one of them, this one, had a yolk and a filling, which I really tried to avoid. But out of the 10 batches that I made, these were the 4 best ones. So there you go. Ciao.